Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have a small haul here from TEMU, you guys. So this is another haul that I am going to show you what I got. So if you want to see, keep watching, my friend. So guys, this is my mini haul from TEMU. It's not much in it, but I just want to show you what I got. So this site is so addictive, you guys. So you know, you have to like try to stay away from it. Anyway, as I was saying before, that it's not really a good day for me. I'm just trying to do some videos, so I don't really like put things on my mind, because my oldest sister has passed away in Jamaica. So that is it. So today let's show you what I got. I got two phone cases from TEMU, and I already have one on my phone, and this is the other one that I got from them. This is it, you guys. And then also I got a satin cap to put over my hair. I like to sleep in these at night. So let's show you how it is. So this is how it is. It's very thin, but this is how it is with the elastic around the edge here. So this is what I got. And then I also have some eyeshadow, classic eyeshadow thing to put under my eyes and over here if I want to do a wing liner. I got these, and you can see over here, this is how it look on the eyes. So you put it over your eye. This is quick makeup stencil sticker, so you can put it over your eye to do your eye look. And I'm gonna try this out very soon and see how it works. So the other thing I have here, I have some sponge. These sponge are very soft and nice. I got two of their sponge, makeup sponge, to blend my foundation or to blend my under eye powder. These are what I got from them. This package I did order a good while ago, but this package stay a while for me to get. And I also have these, you guys, which is some eyeliner brush. I got 3 in the package here. And I also got these. This is a ginger thickener hair moisturizer, which I just got the package and yesterday. So I'm not like I haven't tried it out yet. So let's show you. These are so small though. When you see them on the side, they look big, but when you get them, they are very small. And it said hair thickener strengthening hair cream. This is it. And I don't even know what this is. What is this? I ordered this package so long, you guys, over 3 weeks, and they take so long to deliver this package to me. Oh, these are wipes. These are wipes. I guess they must have put this in it, because I didn't order these. I would never order wipe like this, but I guess they drop it in there. I don't know. I also got some earring, and these earrings are so heavy. Like I got 2 pair in this, and this is another one that I got. Let's see how these earrings really look. If I earring look, you guys, but they are thick and heavy. So I got these also. So let's try these 2 first. And oh, I know what this is. This is not, oh wow, these are small. This is not earring. These are bundle. Like they're very small. Wow, they are so small, you guys. I thought these were earring. When you see them on the side, they look so big, but then when they come, they are tiny. I got 5 pair of band here. Let's show you how they look on the hand, you guys. So I got 4 or 5 pair, 5 bundle, not 5 pair, 5 bundle I got from them. I'm trying to fit this on the hand, you guys. They're not looking bad, but they are really small. I thought they were bigger when I ordered them. So these are the bundles that I have on my hand from TEMU, but they look really, really good, you guys. And then I also have, I have 2 pair of earrings. So it was 2 pair of earrings I ordered. I don't even remember because they have this package so long. So this is the earring here. This is a small one, which I don't like small earring. This one is okay, but this one is very small. I don't like small earring. And then I also got this, which is, this is my second eyeliner that I picked up from them. So let's see how this one look. Is it the eyeliner? I don't even know, but let's see. Okay, this is an eyeliner. So I got this. Let's see how this really look on the eye here. It's very pointed, you guys. Okay. So I have 2 of these. I ordered one before and I got it, and then I ordered this one also. So it's not much I got from them. And okay, I have some more bangle. So I did order some. I didn't realize I ordered, this one is how many? 3, let's see, 3, yeah, this one is 3. But these bangles are thick and they're small, but they are very, very nice, you guys. I don't even think these bangles going to wash out very soon, because sometimes you do buy bangle and by the time you go into water they start to change color. So these are the bangles. Here I put some on my hand and the bag is empty, and then I have these in my hand here, which is 3. So guys, these are just a couple of things I ordered from TEMU right now. I still have some more things to get from them. So as soon as I get it, I will show you what I did order. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and please turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video you can be notified. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.